I'll be riding from Chennai to OOTY, not today. Actually, I'll be riding from Chennai to Mettupalayam today, and we'll be riding to OOTY tomorrow morning. He's Vicky. He's a friend of mine. Now he's here to send me off, and this is my first time. So if someone is watching this video and you'll be like, "What the hell is this guy doing?" This is my first time, and I apologize for that. That's it. So now it's 6:30 in the morning and we are crossing our first toll. It's in Chengalpet.
I'm going to make this.
So toll number 2. Toll number 3. Toll number 6 kilometers to go.
The timer will change within 2 hours.
Oh, he
Yes.
on the record, in all 3 of us, the only person who is an earning member is this guy. He's got the big bucks. Big. See, he's got an iPhone, a new bike, which is not his, certainly. So. Number 7. We ate lunch at Mess near Salem Junction. Salem Junction, and the food was nice, of course. Number 8, it was raining a little bit earlier, but it wasn't raining when we got to where all our clothes. We hope it's gonna rain soon, because because all of this order would be to wait if it's not gonna rain. So that's about it.
Never believe in Google Maps.
We are exactly standing on top of Bhavani River. Looks gorgeous, really.